Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making butterscotch sauce. Sounds luscious and buttery and caramelly, right? Well, of course, it's butterscotch. Now, as you may know from watching some of my other videos, I have a fear of making caramel. But today, I'm gonna conquer it and we're gonna do it together because have I made this before? No, I haven't. So please help me along. I'm also making it because to make the impossible sauce, buttery butterscotch as a sauce, to conquer my fear of making anything caramel. This is my quest to give it a try, no matter how hopeless, no matter, I'll get by. Get by? Well, yes, of course I will, and it will be delicious. Let's do this. Everything is done on the stove, so get ready. Set to medium heat. 1 2/3 cup light brown sugar. 1 2/3 cup dark brown sugar. 16 tablespoons unsalted butter. Wait for all the sugar to have melted. Raise the heat just a little bit. 4 cups heavy cream, add in 4 additions. Let it simmer between additions. We're looking for it to reduce down a bit between additions. Add some more. Let it reduce. The whole process should take between 4 to 6 minutes. Go ahead, add some more. Let it simmer down. Add the balance of your cream. It has been simmering and thickening, and I can drag the spoon through, and I think it is going to fall in a sheet. It is. Take it off the heat. Add 1 to 1.5 teaspoons salt. 1.5 teaspoons flaky salt. Teaspoon vanilla. Stir together. Let cool completely. After I added all the cream in, the sauce was not thick enough. So I let it simmer for a while, stirring it on occasion, and that probably lasted 15 minutes. So the recipe may say 4 to 6 minutes. It took me 15. So just be patient. Butterscotch sauce. Oh my. Serving it over a bowl of ice cream. Let's taste it by itself. It is rich and buttery and smooth and caramelly and butterscotchy. It is not the impossible dream. This is a true dream. I did it. Yay! Butterscotch sauce goes great on the top of ice cream. It goes great with cookies. It goes great with, apples. It goes great with pretty much anything. Okay, fine. It doesn't go with lettuce, but everything else. And it will keep in the refrigerator for 6 months. Yes. If I can make butterscotch sauce for the very first time, yay! You can too, really and truly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check me out on Instagram, and send on those recipe requests. I'm waiting.